We are Cypress Group Inc. We are located in West Chicago, Illinois. We are a landscape design, build, architecture firm. We do all facets of landscape services, including design, build, installation, trees, shrubs, evergreens, ponds, pergolas, as you see behind us. The gazebos are kits. They are manufactured by Leisure Woods out of Genoa, Illinois. They are a high-end gazebo kit, easily put together. They feature high-end cedar, and some of the flowers and shrubs and so forth that you see back there are annuals that are adaptable to this area. The Labella snapdragons, which are so popular, are something we've introduced for the last few years and are slowly becoming popular in this area. The design is such that we tried to combine colors and so forth that would work well and produce a good look. We're basically a residential design firm. We consult with homeowners who either have new homes or are looking to redesign existing homes. We meet with them on the property, go through their needs as far as landscaping is concerned, what type of look they're going for. Then we bring back the information that we need to produce a landscape design for their project. Once we have this, we meet with them again, we go through it, try to give them the best idea we can of what we're proposing, and usually give them some type of cost broken down by a logical sequence so that they can phase the project long term if they so desire. Everything from pavers, walls, trees, shrubs, pergolas, hardscapes, softscapes, the whole works. We handle all of the facets. We can take it from a new home with just dirt all the way to the end product. We don't have a specialty. We're not just a hardscape company or a softscape company. We will do the whole project. We have all our own carpenters to do the cedar work or any of the woodworking, and all of it is kept in-house. We're a complete design build firm. Our projects can be seen at www.cypressgroupinc.com. Our phone number is 630-293-0339, and again, we're located in West Chicago, Illinois.